Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 197 Alcester Road South. So moving into the property where we have the vestibule which opens into the hallway. Nice through hallway right through to the kitchen. Then we have two reception rooms. The first one here on the right hand side. Which has a lovely large bay window facing towards the front aspect. And then coming around to the second reception room, again a really good size and having double doors leading through to the garden. Then we have the understairs storage pantry and through to the kitchen. Going through to the kitchen, great space here, and within the kitchen there is also an integrated fridge freezer. Stable door on the right hand side. We have the utility room here, which has plumbing for the washing machine, tumble dryer. There is also a dishwasher in the kitchen. And then heading back down to the rear of the property, we have a cloakroom on the left hand side with WC and wash basin. And then a garden room here with two Velux windows, lots of natural light and further double doors leading out into the garden. And on to the first floor landing where we've got the stairs leading up to the top floor. Then we have 4 bedrooms and the bathroom on this floor, starting with the 2 bedrooms facing towards the front of the house. So good size double room here. A single bedroom as well with a built-in wardrobe. And then around to the middle bedroom. This room has a run of fitted wardrobes with sliding doors. Lovely view across the garden. And then over to the bathroom, which has a panel bath as well as a fully tiled corner shower as well. And then we have the airing cupboard on the right hand side, which houses the boiler, and the bedroom to the rear. And moving up on to the top floor where we have a very nice sized bedroom with good view to the rear. We also have fitted wardrobes and Velux windows facing towards the front of the property. And the ensuite shower room with wash basin, WC, towel rail, and also the fully tiled shower. And then moving outside into the rear garden, where we have a flagged patio and pathway which leads down to the main lawned garden. There is also space at the side with the shared access running through to the front of the house. And that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then do please give us a call as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.